If your desktop looks like this, stop dragging Windows. Windows already has shortcuts for this. First one, Windows key and D, instant clean desktop. Or this, grab one window, shake it, and everything else disappears. For multitasking, use Windows key and the arrow keys, left, right, then up or down. You can fit 4 apps perfectly on one screen. Using 2 monitors, Windows key, shift, arrow. Your window jumps to the other screen, no dragging. When things get messy, I open a new desktop. Windows key, Ctrl D. One for work, one for everything else. Alt and Tab to switch apps fast. Windows key and Tab if you want to see everything. A few more you will use every day. Windows key and E opens File Explorer. Ctrl, Shift, Escape opens Task Manager. Windows key and L locks your PC instantly. This one's underrated. Windows key and V, Clipboard history. You can paste stuff you copied earlier. And yeah, Windows key and dot for emojis. Try these once and you'll never go back. Follow for more PC tips.